Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It's April 5th, 2011, and I'm bringing you your morning coffee. First off, we're going to start things off with China raising rates here overnight. So they raised their interest rates a quarter of a point. It's got the dollar right now up a little bit. Dollar's up only about 4 cents, though. The dollar's in a sharp downtrend yet. I think rallies are still going to be met with some selling there as far as the dollar. But be a little bit careful with China's tactics here, trying to raise interest rates yet again. It's got things on the defensive a little bit here today. Crude oil is down 42 cents right now. You've got the stock market dropping back here, down about 27 points right now. And things are setting back a little bit for the grains. It's been straight up here since that USDA report for corn. We found some significant strength here as far as the wheat, but a minor setback in the beans yesterday. But you look at the overnight markets, corn down a little bit, 4 to 5 cents lower for corn. We still are friendly on corn. We still feel corn's probably going higher. But we look at yesterday's close for that nearby contract, and it was the highest close for a nearby contract on record. So it's still very strong. It is still very bullish. But we're overbought as well. We could see a little setback here today, but I do feel that you're going to find good support here at lower levels yet as far as corn. Traders are still looking for ending stocks here to shrink to 15-year lows on Friday. That report comes out at 7:30 in the morning on Friday. We're going to get another look at the supply and demand numbers and see how tight stocks really are. So we're expecting to see some bullish numbers there. Reuters had come out here, reported yesterday that the commodity funds had bought about 95,000 contracts here in the last 3 sessions. So since that USDA report last week, the commodity funds had jumped back in here buying 95,000 contracts of corn. That's very friendly. They're going to come in and support their positions here. As far as beans, a little setback yesterday, mostly due to harvest pressure. Down in Brazil and Argentina, their weather's improving. They're getting out there and they're getting at it right now. But you still have new crop here that is not really pulling back much. It's still staying firm, and it's going to need to here in order to gain acres yet. They can't just fall apart here if corn's going to continue to run higher. So we are still looking for that to find some strength as far as new crop beans. Overnight trade a little bit lower, down 7 to 9 cents overnight. We are looking for a little more of a pullback here this morning, and we'll see what these traders want to do. But if you're bullish on corn and wheat, you've got to be friendly beans as well. So I think beans are they're going to follow suit with that corn and with that wheat as we may push higher here in the near term. Looking at wheat, it was unchanged overnight to a little bit higher. Basically we had conditions come out yesterday. USDA reported that the winter wheat crop right now is only about 37% good to excellent. So they were expecting to see a pretty poor number, and they got that. So that may be supportive here today. We're going to watch for more support on pullbacks here for wheat. Funds there for wheat had bought in about 10,000 contracts since that USDA report. So it does seem like they're trying to jump back in here on the long side of that. And we'll see where they want to take that wheat. But with conditions here at 37%, we still feel pullbacks are going to be buying opportunities yet for wheat. We've got, as far as cattle, kind of a mixed signals there this morning. We had Nebraska. We had cash trade here in Nebraska, or I should say live basis trade in Nebraska, 123 to 125 with dress sales near 200. So still very strong when you look at this. You look at sales there. We'll see what happens this week, but right now it's we feel the strength could continue. It's kind of amazing that it is, but if we're going to continue to see cash prices trade very strong, we're going to see board prices stay up here as well. We had cutout values that were up $1.90 for choice. At select, that was up $2, so still very strong there as well. But if we do see some pullbacks, much like the grains, we may find support here at a little bit lower levels. Hogs kind of mixed today. You have down maybe 15 to 20 cents off the start. We've had some very strong trade here over the last few weeks. We expect to see that maybe continue here. But we had pork cutouts that were up again yesterday, up about 18 cents, putting that at 94.30. Very strong. Cash prices staying firm, so we expect to see more firm prices as we go throughout the week as well. But give us a call with any questions. Once again, I want to remind you guys we've got a report coming out again on Friday, and that comes out at 7:30 in the morning. That's a USDA supply and demand report. So give us a call here. We'll be glad to give you the figures that we have and go through that with you as well. You can always reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out right there on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have a great day today. Have a great rest of the week. Take care.